Here are the top 4 things to check for kids who ride in child restraints. Number 1, make sure your child is facing the right direction. Babies and very young children should ride rear-facing because their necks are not fully developed. When your child outgrows the rear-facing restraint, their necks will be stronger and they can transition to a forward-facing restraint. Number 2, tightly attach the restraint to the vehicle. The restraint needs to be firmly attached to the vehicle using either the seatbelt or the latch system, which stands for lower anchors and tethers for children. Number 3, use a top tether for a forward-facing restraint. Top tethers provide an additional attachment point to the vehicle and prevent the seat and the child from tipping forward in a crash. Number 4, make sure your child is tightly buckled in. The harness should be snug and the chest clip should be at armpit level. For rear-facing seats, the strap should be at or below your child's shoulders. For forward-facing seats, the strap should be at or above your child's shoulders.